It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition for Tuesday, May 9th. I'm James Spann. Summer-like weather continues through midweek. Rain returns by Friday. And the weekend for now looks rain-free. Let's check it out. Very interesting upper air pattern across the country this afternoon. Large-scale upper low south of Phoenix, Arizona. Also a big trough in the northeastern states, but ridging in between, moving in here. And accordingly, it's warm and dry. Everybody in the 80s. Birmingham 84, Tuscaloosa 85. We'll expect upper 80s in here tomorrow and Thursday. And around the nation, we are clearly the warm spot. We have 80s up into parts of Missouri and Kansas. But again, very chilly up in the northeastern states and also back under the cold core upper low in the southwest. There's the watch warning map around the nation. Things are relatively quiet. We note a severe thunderstorm watch for parts of Colorado and New Mexico in advance of the upper low until 6 o'clock Mountain Time this evening. And there's a slight risk of severe weather. That's the standard risk in that area. That's just east of the large-scale upper low. But around here, we are, of course, rain-free. Tomorrow, a risk of severe storms from Texas up across the Great Plains, then eastward into parts of the Ohio Valley. And on day 3, which is Thursday, a risk of severe weather west of the state, the core risk over parts of Arkansas and the Arklatex region. And again, no risk defined for day 4, which is Friday. That's when rain will likely return here. Rain amounts about a one half inch. This is the rain for the next 7 days. And again, the bulk of this will be Friday and Friday night. So model fans, let's roll on here. Here's the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow afternoon at 1 o'clock. This is at 500 millibars. Upper low slowly coming out of the southwest. But again, ridging here. So warm and dry, sunny with upper 80s tomorrow. This is Thursday, same thing, partly to mostly sunny, very warm. Highs in the upper 80s. Got that broad surface low west of the state. And then Friday, the system moves east and rain will likely move into the state during the day Friday. And this is late Friday night, just after midnight. The rain continues. Check the timing on this. We're now within range of the NAM. This is the 12-kilometer NAM, valid Friday afternoon at 4 o'clock. It's a little faster. Really, both the GFS and the NAM are a tad faster, and this is suggesting the window for rain and storms could open up maybe around noon on Friday. And timing is everything. A lot of outdoor events are happening Friday afternoon and Friday night. Bottom line is, it looks like we'll have to bring in the chance of rain and storms during the day Friday. Probably the better chance Friday afternoon, continuing Friday night. In terms of the severe weather potential, this is the instability, and the NAM suggests fairly decent instability values Friday at 4 o'clock. This is suggesting capes about 2,000 joules per kilogram, which is fairly robust for mid-May, but the wind feels not especially strong. This is the storm relative helicity in the low levels, 0 to 1 kilometers, and again, those numbers are rather low, so again, I'd say, I would imagine what the SPC guys will do is probably put up a marginal severe weather risk for the possibility of some hail and gusty winds. But again, we don't expect a major severe weather problem. So we'll say noon Friday until midnight Friday night, maybe 2, 3 o'clock Saturday morning. That'll be the main window for rain and storms with about a half inch. Maybe some strong storms, severe weather threat not especially high. Saturday, the system moves on to the east. A surface low is near Virginia Beach. The sky becomes partly to mostly sunny here, and we are cooler. The high go back in the mid to upper 70s most likely. Sunday, a beautiful day. We start the day in the 50s, bright sunshine. The high should be in the low 80s. Monday, sunny and warm with mid-80s. And a week from today, Tuesday, the 16th, kind of a zonal flow. Got a big trough in the northwestern states. And again, for us, dry, warm, mostly sunny, mid-80s. This is the end of the forecast period, the end of next week, Friday, May 19th. A big cold upper low in the western states, another one back in the northeast. But again, for us, we're in between all that. Looks pretty much warm and dry. Check the numbers. You can see the cool down, the latest GFS suggesting highs dropping maybe in the low 70s on Saturday. How about Sunday morning at 49? That'll feel pretty good. But then next week, we warm right back up, and we might be flirting with 90 by Wednesday and Thursday of next week. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. You can catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.